Hey guys, this is Usman. Welcome to another session of .NET Core. So let me open the same Tech and Talk solution which we are using from last couple of sessions. Let me recap. In last session we have introduced our DL layer. We have used the class from DL layer to our presentation layer to just giving the um, giving the implementation of layered architecture. So today we will try to implement how to access Microsoft Access database. In previous videos we have used SQL Server through edu.net. We have seen how to connect, how to fetch records from SQL Server edu.net through edu.net. So today we will try to access MS Access. So let me start. As we already have introduced DL layer, so our all data access logic from database will reside here. So let me add another class here. Let's give it a name. MS Access DB repository, right? So as name is describing that MS Access will get accessed from this class. Okay, and let me add a method here. Public static list of string which will be our records. Next is fetch users, and let me create empty list. Temp users is equal to new list of string, and at the end let me return temp users like this. That's it, and let me remove extra using statements. Save. Okay, so here we will write our MS Access logic. So basically in here we will going to use OLEDB connection, OLEDB command, and OLEDB data reader. So let me initialize, create an object of MS Access connection equal to new OLEDB OLEDB. Basically the name of this class is OLEDB connection, like this. And if we can see, we can add the reference to it, OLEDB, right? And after this we will see how to create a command object. Command is equal to new OLEDB command, and after this let me open connection like this, and from the command point of view, let me see. Okay, it takes two arguments. First is command text, which will be over query, and second parameter is over connection. So let me give it ms access connection here, and let us write our query is equal to select static from users. Yeah, and let me put our query here like this. Okay, command is okay now, and this has one basically two override constructors here. So we need the connection string here. So guys, there are two possible ways. One is to write query directly here in form of string, but I recommend to go from the data source wizard so that you have better idea of how the OLEDB access or MS Access database and which provider does it need. So if there is any issue in our provider, it will pop up the message on that wizard. Data source, I just click on data source, add, and this pop-up appears. Now click next, same data set, click next, create new connection. So this is option I already have here, which is MS Access database. By default you will get this pop-up. These are the providers. On the top we have MS Access database file, and it's by default selected, so select click OK, and yep. So next thing is we need to give it the database file. So to create for this let's create an MS Access database file here. Oops, access, there it is. I have Microsoft Office Access 2007 installed. It doesn't matter which one you have installed, just open it and create an empty database. It's loading, guys, it's a bit slow. Yep, that's it. And let me click on blank database. Okay, so give it a name, tech in talk db. Great. Okay, we have now the table wizard here. Just rename it as id and give it and the next column name is name. Press Ctrl S. Okay, and table name will be users. I like in plural. So if you open the design view, you can see first field is id of auto number, which is a primary key by default. Second one is name, which is automatically a string. Yep, it would be text. Press Ctrl S for save. Okay, and my Tech and Talk DB location was my document folder. So let us browse that file in documents, which is now this appears here, Tech and Talk DB. Click open. Okay, it's saying the file is in use, so let us close MS Access from here. Click OK. Now select it and test connection. It says test connection succeeded. Okay, press OK. And why we were doing all of these steps, it's because first we need to check if everything is connected and working fine. Basically we need to check if the provider is working properly, in our case which is working. So the second purpose is to get the connection string from after this connection. For that reason, just click on that checkbox and you will be shown the connection string. Just copy it and cancel this. We don't need to, don't need actually the data source here. We just doing this for verification and connection string purposes. So it's override. Its constructor that just takes the connection string from here. And yep, let me add one extra slash. Yep, that's it. Okay, if you can see, there is a provider which is Microsoft ACE OLEDB 12.0 and data source is this DB at this location. That's it. We are done. We have given the MS connection here or query here, and connection is open now. And next thing is for reader is equal to oops, command dot execute reader. That's it. Sorry. So let's loop in a while reader dot read. We need to put a string in temp users list here, and let's say it's reader dot get value at 0 index plus reader dot get value at first index. Yep, that's it. So we have opened our connection, we have executed our command, and we have populated our list of string, and we are returning that list of users. Yep. So another thing we can do is this. We can scope this out in using statement, which is another way to utilize our resources, especially the streams, files, anything which involve IO operations. So by using the using scope, we just use we just want to execute our code, and as soon as the control goes out of that scope, the object destroys automatically without any disposing statements. So let's see how we can do this here. For this let's just wrap this connection object in using like this, and add brackets, curly braces here. Yep, that's it. As soon as control goes out of this braces, it will dispose automatically. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So next step is our function is ready, and our next step will be to use that function here from our DL. Let me put some comments here. It says SQL Server fetch records, and after this let me add MS access records. Okay, and let me use that method. Okay, our class name is MS access db repository dot. Okay, I think we haven't give it, we haven't make this class public, so now it's public now, and we can access across library now. So yeah, it's blue now. Just call fetch users like this. Yeah, let's put a debugger right here and start the program. Working. Okay, we have our form here. Let's press button. Let's get inside this function. This is command connection get opened successfully, reader get executed. Yeah, I don't think so we have put any record inside our table. I forgot to add, so let's go back to documents, TechIntactDB. Open it. Yeah, I just forgot to add any record. Let me add Usman here. That's it. Save, close this. Just redebug this program. Let me click on this. Let's inside it. Yep, now we have a record here. So if you can see, our list is populated with one record, which is ID is 1 and name is Usman. Yep, that's awesome. That's it, guys. Or today's episode was to access MS Access database from C# using Visual Studio 2017, and that's it. Oops, code refactoring. Yeah, let me push today's code on the repository and enjoy coding, guys. Bye bye.